Hello everyone, I am Dr. Bindu Saxana, Assistant Professor in SCRT, Delhi. I am the Nodal Officer for Special Training Center program, so I will discuss about Special Training Centers in Delhi. Special Training Centers. This word came from the Right to Education Act. Section 4 of the Right to Education Act specifically tells about the age appropriate admission for out of school children. National Education Policy 2020, it also talks about mainstreaming out of school children. As from the graph you can see that the number of out of school children is decreasing. Where do these out of school children go? Who are these out of school children? Let's first discuss about out of school children. These children are the children who have either dropped out from these schools or who have never been enrolled in these schools. These children come from disadvantaged communities such as minorities. They are children from migrant families. They may be CWSN, etc. Some of the reasons that these children are out of school are they belong to migratory families. Parents move from one place to another, so they have to drop out from the school. Lack of parental awareness about education. Children have to support their families also, maybe financially, or they have to take care of their siblings. And there are several other reasons also. Now, as these children are out of a school, the survey is conducted by teachers of special training centers. The teachers identify these out of school children, they enroll these children in their schools, and then these children are sent to special training centers. Now, let's discuss about special training centers. Special training centers are those centers which are meant for out of school children. As a child has never gone to school or has dropped out, and when the child comes back to the school, then a learning gap is created. Now, it is the responsibility of the school that if a child comes, then that learning gap should be reduced, and this learning gap is reduced in the special training centers. The teachers of a special training center, they give training to the out of school children. Now, these children have entered the special training center. They can be kept at the training center for a period of 3 months to 2 years until they complete their education and can be mainstreamed in the age appropriate class. In these special training centers, there are children of different classes. So, a teacher has to teach in a multi-grade classroom. SCRT as an academic authority has a very important role in running these special training centers. SCRT has developed the curriculum for these special training centers. Besides the curriculum, we have also developed textbooks, assessment tools, activity kits for EVS and flip charts for EVS. The teachers are also trained by SCRT either once or twice in a year on different aspects so that they can deal with the children. The teachers are empowered in such a way that they can mainstream the children. Activity kits and the textbooks, all the material prepared by SCRT is very interesting and pictorial. The children, they enjoy learning with that material, and as a result of this, many of the children have been mainstreamed every year. The students are doing very well not only in academics but in co-curricular activities and sports as well at zonal, state and national level. Though we have contributed a bit, we have a long way to go, and now we are planning few strategies to be implemented in the near future. we are planning to give vocational education to the children from class 6 to class 8, so that they can be retained in the school system and they can get a job also. Apart from this, we are also planning to start community mobilization programs. By these programs, we will try to get resource and academic support from the community for establishing or enriching the special training centers, and we will try to start the programs for retention of the students, so that they can be retained in the formal education system for a longer period of time. I hope that we will be able to enroll and retain all the students up to the completion of their secondary education. Thank you.